Hi, this is a quick video just telling you how to install a booster plug on a Triumph bobber, and I've got mine already installed. It's the easiest thing, it's just to show you where it is because it's a doddle of fit. You're going to have to get this side panel at the bottom here, give it a pull, that comes away. Now, where it plugs in, if you look under here, just here is where the original plug sits. Now you separate that. I've plugged the booster plug in there, and this is the other half of the plug from the bike and the other half of my booster plug. I've tie wrapped my little computer unit for the booster plug here, just tie wrapped it there, and I've ran the sensor, the temperature sensor down here just underneath the snorkel. There's a couple of lines here which just go, well, you've got your brake line and everything, but that's not going anywhere, and I've just tie wrapped it to that, and that is it. Once you've done that, pop this back on, and that's you, booster plug installed.